We had a great open house. This was part of something imet does every year. We open up the facility and let people from Baltimore know what we are doing in this wonderful building that we have right downtown in Baltimore. So we have all sorts of research happening in the building, and our scientists and students set up many different displays explaining some of the research that's happening, but also giving practical activities that kids could do. So one group had set up for kids to be able to extract DNA from strawberries. And this was really successful. The kids ended up with little tubes of DNA that they could take home with them. We had an exhibit that included educational activities about sharks, and also a video game that helps people understand more about sharks and shark behavior. We had lots of displays on microalgae and their potential to produce food and fuel. Some of that was linked with various art activities, including making a spin art where kids had the opportunity to pipette paint onto paper that was then spun around in a centrifuge to come up with a nice little piece of art. We also had tours of our aquaculture research center, so our visitors could see striped bass and also tanks where we are growing Mediterranean sea bass in a very intense aquaculture system with recirculating marine water. Lots and lots of people came, many kids, which was great to see. A couple of kids were overheard saying, "Wow, I really want to be a scientist now," and that's what we're trying to achieve. Our open house is an annual event, and it's always the first Saturday in May. And if you didn't make it this year, we really hope to see you next year.